Okay, I want to talk about this SmartVision, how to actually to make the artwork that match the design. Okay, so first your normal process is press scan, which is introduce this one to scan. Okay, currently we don't use that, we didn't connect to the machine. And also just remember you need this dongle, super dog, it says it. So let me just open an image which we can use open picture here. Is open the one that we previously scanned. So you can see it's lots of the flash drive. I use this difficult sample because the flash drive first is have its own shape, but it's two parts, so they can actually come out rotating. So the shape of every single object actually different. So this is a difficult case. Okay, now let's see what in this case what we do. First of all, to make your own life easier, actually you should put one actually horizontally, very perfect, so we can marking on that one easier. But since you want to make a difficult case, so we didn't even do that, so it's a difficult case. So if you observe all those flash drive, you can see there are actually two parts. One part is this sleeve, one part is this bottom part, actually the flash drive part. So this part, this metal jacket part, is actually the same. So we shouldn't treat the whole thing as an object. We should treat this only this metal jacket as an object. So in this case, we want to mark it. But before that, let's open the drawing. We do have a drawing. Where is that drawing? Oh, here. Okay. I open that. It's actually a PRT or PRN file. You first open it, you do clean the template. In case it's been used for the other things, it's linked to something that's already been rotated. So you basically right click, clean template. Okay. Then you open the file. It will be somewhere. Where is it? Here. No, sorry, that's a dot in my screen. Okay. And sometimes they don't know where it is. Yeah, where this open the file is. Original file. Where is this original file? Oh, it's here. It's here. My eyes bad. Okay. So this is a file that we actually want to print. It's being processed. So to do like that, they give a little preview. No, we want to try again. Okay, so we want to say, because the machine do not decide how you want to position this. So you decide yourself how you want to position this. So the machine just want an example. So we trying to maybe position this like this. Against the edge, it's a little bit skew. So we turn a little bit. Okay, so what we want is to position that in this green area. That's what we want. So one way you can use called auto detect. It's we're trying to find everything, the shape. Generally for some contract, high contract works. You see, but this one they find, but the shape is all different. You can see this one have some little tail, this one have some defects. So this is not gonna work. So that's why we delete it. You can select it and delete it. All of those. They even find lots of dots on the table itself. We delete it. So for some cases you can use auto detect. But for difficult case, you cannot use auto detect. You have to manually detect. Not manually detect, manually make. Okay? I think I deleted my artwork also. Where's it? Yeah, actually I deleted my artwork. Oh, it's back to original point now. I deleted it. So let me redo this part. I should show you the auto detect first. And not have this. I have to do it again. And Okay, so now let's do this again. We want to rotate it and try against the wall that is actually parallel. I think like that. So that's what our print wants. So we want to print like that. Then that's why I said we want to mark in this area. So we go to a place called rectangle. Then you draw, not you draw, I draw a rectangle like that. You click back to select, and this rectangle, that's why I say if you really do the work, you should put one perfectly horizontal. Make all the marking job also easier. So we do not need to rotate. We do not need to rotate, but in this case we have to rotate to try to match this. So we just want to show the area. I think this area is fine. This actually I'm not sure is there. Oh, all of them have a little hook thing. Okay, so I include the hook thing. Then what you need to do is you select both of them, you drag and select both of them, you group. And from this group, you make template. So that's the thing you want. They can add some green line. So check green line is actually marking the sensitive area, not green line everywhere. If green line everywhere, you didn't do right. Okay, now after that, another trick, this is called cut. You should use it. It means you only want a computer to scan this area because this is a really CPU and the memory tense operation. You don't want it to scan the whole picture, you see, not big. So I only want to scan this area, save some CPU. Then just press match. Okay, one thing is actually here called parameter template quality. You put on the auto. You can also adjust that to come. Basically, you want a template just the outline, not so complex. That's very difficult to match other stuff. Okay, so let's just oh, there's a picture. Okay, then we just press match option. Then it's trying to find the rest. You see, it's now trying to find this one, find this one, find this one, find this one, find this one. But these two didn't find. Reason, okay. First reason is because the camera, the joint, one side have more exposure, so this one is get half chopped, so difficult to see. This one, why is this one kind of busy, huh? This one looks quite decent to me. Another thing is you can change it, is called similarity. Okay, similar. Do not change below 50, otherwise you need too many CPU and memory. Even my computer crashes. So I tried 75. You can 75, you can press match again, see if they're gonna do better. Okay, they do way better, so you can match some other rubbish as well, because they matched these two, but something else I also think likely. So we change this similarity maybe to 85, and then we trying to match again. I think this time we get better. Okay, actually this one, if you're not happy, you can delete yourself manually. But since this case, we keep changing this. It was 90, so cannot be really, maybe 88. Then we try to match again. Yeah, you see, now you get a better result. Actually, you can just click and delete yourself. Just press delete button, it's all go. Like this, you see, it's all go. Then you don't print that, okay. But of course, we just want perfection in this case. Okay. Now what you do next, you already matched all of the joint. You can just press print. It will take this ripped file, generate all of those into a different ripped file. Then you can print it on a PrintExp or other stuff. Just remember, we have to have a configuration. Remember setting that where the file save to. where's the file saved to? Not library. Open file, setting, print. The print. We wanna save the file. I forget where the save to. Let me try. Check where the save to setting is. This is continuous print. I think maybe in the setting, system setting, and system setting, display setting, not here. Using a rape setting, and not here. Okay, where's that folder to save the file? So printing option, printing path, those things that have resolution, PRN file color, data processing, advanced, system parameter. System parameter is the same. Process option. Process option is how to take the camera. Controller option. No controller option. Language and any other settings. Output detection parameter. Maybe it's output detection parameter. No, I said no. It's simple. It's a parameter of settings. Save the default parameter matching path simulation. Parameter backup. Actually, you can do a backup. I remember there's a setting for the file where they save to. I cannot find it. I don't want to redo the whole video. I already done now. Here. Output setting. Just click here. Then you have the output directory. It's save on my desktop. So it's on my desktop. It's a PRN file. Let me go take a look. But desktop. Yeah, you see this is a new file. It's today. That's today's time. So you're gonna have this file called QY PRN file. Then this file, if let me chop it. I just want to show you something. Let's put it here. Okay, you see this temporary file. This is a scan file. This is the other file. Okay, let me try and open the PrintExp. We can preview this thing. Then you can see how this actually works. We go to find the flat print. No, flat print I didn't have the unzipped one. Let me go to the other software and the PrintExp. Actually, any version is fine. Doesn't matter. I just want to show you how that looks like. How that PRN file looks like. Remember, it was a single logo, and then after this, they're gonna generate a different logo. Go to file. See this one. See, that's a Q. See, that's they just lay out it differently based on the vertical one. You see, vertical one is this one. Then do. Then you have see. Okay, basically like that. Then they're rotating everything for you. Then you can just print. Okay. Of course, for the other machine, you need to set the margin, X margin, Y margin, 0, 0, because it's can. Oh, Y margin is 100. Why is it 100? Let me do another video. I'll tell you why it must be 100. Okay, basically this video is about how to marking this thing. Little bit long, but you can check in is the first remember clear template, then show this stuff, then you change similar thing, and also maybe making template. You can also have the making And template, you have the template quality you can change. To making the template, actually this template is normally put on the side. Yeah. So this is template. You can see the template. Basically the outline with a circle and some curved line, and they put the logo in the middle. That's how they're trying to match the rest of it. Okay, thank you.